This is the new 911 Club Coupe from Porsche, which is a Carrera T with a manual gearbox that you need a special membership to buy. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where for his 50th birthday, the Porsche Club of America worked with Porsche to create a special model commemorating the golden anniversary, the 2006 911 Carrera S Club Coupe. PCA and Porsche collaborated again 10 years later for the club's 60th with the 2016 911 Carrera GTS Club Coupe. And with the club celebrating its 70th birthday this weekend, it was a high time for a new special model. That's the 2026 911 Carrera T Club Coupe. Now, Porsche and the PCA unveiled the car Sunday night at the club's annual parade, and this year it was held in Oklahoma City. Now, as the name implies, it's based on the Carrera T, the lightest and most purest aimed version of the current 911 and the only Carrera model with a manual transmission. Now, Porsche will build just 70 examples, with the first one going in the museum, where PCA will raffle off the second one, and then PCA members will be able to purchase the rest. Each of these Club Coupes have been finished in a unique shade of blue, Azuro California Metallic for the 2006 model, and Club Blau for the 2016 model. Now, this car is finished in a new color called Solar Blue, a sort of metallic version of Club Blau. Now, with that said, there's all sorts of other visual tweaks, like a sport design front fascia with red accents, a unique finish for the 21 and 20-inch RS Spyder design wheels, a Club Coupe decal on the doors, and red striping with a commemorative badge on the engine lid. Now, inside, there's even more exuberance with the unique red, white, and blue trim for the seats and interior of the glove box, red and blue stitching, a commemorative badge embossed into the center console, and a PCA logo just behind the shifter. The Porsche Club America name is also printed on the door sills, and there are little red puddle lamps on the bottom of the doors with a special 70th anniversary PCA logo. There will be no doubting you're in something special when you're in this cockpit. Now, mechanically, it's a standard Carrera T, which consists of the 911's base 388 horsepower, 3-liter twin-turbo flat V6, a 6-speed manual transmission, adaptive sports suspension, sports exhaust, and rear-wheel steering. Owners can also buy a special Porsche design chronograph to match their car. Now, Porsche hasn't announced any pricing yet, but you can expect it to be at least a bit more expensive than the $140,950 for the regular 2026 911 Carrera T, plus, of course, the annual cost of a $56 annual PCA membership. But with that said, what do you guys think about this special 911 Club Coupe? Drop those comments down below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, well, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys check the links in the description if you guys want to help further support the channel, and subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.